To generate a payslip in Xero, start by navigating to the Payroll section of your Xero account. Click on the Payroll tab and select the relevant pay period for which you want to generate payslips. Ensure that all pay runs for the selected period have been completed and approved. Next, click on the Payslips option and select the pay period for which you want to generate payslips. You will see a list of employees who have been paid during the selected period. Choose the employees for whom you want to generate payslips by selecting the checkboxes next to their names. After selecting the employees, click on the Generate Payslips button. Xero will then generate payslips for the selected employees based on the pay run information for the chosen period. You can view the payslips on the screen, or you can print them or save them as PDF files for distribution to employees. It is essential to review the payslips for accuracy and completeness before distributing them to employees. Check that all details, including pay rates, hours worked, and deductions, are correct. You can also customize the payslip template to include your company logo and other relevant information. Best practice is to generate payslips on a regular basis, ideally after each pay run, to ensure that employees receive their payslips in a timely manner. Additionally, consider setting up automatic email notifications to send payslips directly to employees, saving time and increasing efficiency. In Xero, you can also set up multiple payslip templates to cater to different employee groups or pay frequencies. This feature allows you to customize payslips according to your business needs and ensures that you are providing accurate and relevant information to your employees. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently generate payslips in Xero, ensuring compliance with payroll regulations and maintaining a smooth and organized payroll process. Regularly review and update your payroll settings to ensure that your payslips are accurate and up to date, and that your employees receive the information they need in a timely and efficient manner.